Good morning, children. Now we'll do our spellings once again of the words of C alphabet. We have finished doing A and B. Now we'll start doing with C spelling. We are doing from the picture dictionary. Okay, children. Now let's start. Listen carefully. Listen to the pronunciation so that you do nightly and try to make sentence. I will ask you in the next classes when this chapter will be over. Okay, children, so this is picture dictionary spellings of C, page 22 and 23, I suppose. Okay, now this is C. What is saying? Cage. C-A-G-E, cage. This is a cage. You can see the picture over here of a cage. Can you see the picture of a cage? See, this is cage. Cage. Cage means where you keep bird. Then when you go to the zoo, you can see many animals. They are inside the cage. You are outside and they are inside. That is cage. Poor lion, it is inside the cage. I have a pet parrot which I keep in the cage. C-A-G-E, cage. Then cap, C-A-P, cap. Now see, this one is cap, C-A-P, cap. See, the baby is wearing a cap. Baby is wearing Lola's cap. I like to wear cap. Next we come to camera. See, the word over here is camera. Camera. C-A-M-E-R-A, camera. Lola is looking at the camera. See, the camera is there and Lola is looking at it. Next, careful. C-A-R-E-F-U-L, careful. You must be careful when you cross the road. You must always listen to the class when the teacher is speaking. You should pay attention and be careful. You must be careful while you cross the road. You must be careful while you walk on the road, because it is very important that you be careful. Next we have can, C-A-N, can. See, these are saying can. There are so many cans here. I love to have cocoa in a can. I love to have Coca-Cola in a can. How many cans are there? This is a question. How many cans are there? Then carry, C-A-R-R-Y. Dinky is carrying Dr. Remedy's bag. I carry my bag to school every day. Carry, carried, C-A-R-R-I-E-D, carried. I carried my books when I went to school last year. Next comes can and should. Candy can open the can. Can means something that I can do. Candy can open the can. Then castle, C-A-S-T-L-E, castle. C-A-S-T-L-E, castle. Castle, what a wonderful castle. The queen lived in a castle. I have seen a castle. These are sentences. Once again, let me repeat. Number 1 is cage. C-A-G-E, cage. Number 2, cap, C-A-P, cap. Number 3, camera, C-A-M-E-R-A, camera. Next, careful, C-A-R-E-F-U-L, careful. Then we have can, C-A-N, can. Carry, C-A-R-R-Y, carry. Carried, C-A-R-R-I-E-D, carried. Then can, C-A-N, can. I can open the can. Candy can open the can. Candy can't open the can. Castle, C-A-S-T-L-E, castle. I can see a beautiful castle. I read a story about a castle. Early days, queens used to live in the kingdom, but the rich or the bold people, they used to live in the castle. I have seen many castles. So this is the C words for page 22. So sentence, poor lion it's in the cage. Baby is wearing Lola's cap. Camera, Lola is looking at the camera. Be careful, Nat. You must be careful when you cross the road. How many cans are there? Dinky is carrying Dr. Remedy's bag. Yesterday I carried my bag when I went home. Candy can open the can. Candy can't open the can. Castle, what a wonderful castle. So this is the page of video. Then we come to the next week. Catch. Catch. When you throw something, the other person has to catch. I throw the ball to you, you have to catch. Catch the ball, Sanjay. Catch it fast. Next, center. C-E-N-T-R-E, center. Cloudy is in the center. Next, caterpillar. C-A-T-R, cater. P-I-L-L-A-R, pillar. There is a caterpillar on the cat. See, on the cat you can see a caterpillar. How dangerous it looks. A big caterpillar is on top of the cat's head. Next, chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. See, chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Baby's chair, small and red. See how cute the baby's chair. It is small and red in color. Then cave. C-A-V-E, cave. Who is in the cave? I think a jackal is in the cave. Change. C-H-A-N-G-E, change. A caterpillar changes into a butterfly. A caterpillar changes into a butterfly. You see small caterpillars, ultimately they change and become a butterfly. Then ceiling, C-E-I-L-I-N-G, ceiling. There is a spider on the ceiling. You can see what a big spider is there. Then we have chase. Dinky is chasing Claudie. Dinky is chasing Claudie. I like to play chasing game. The dog chased the cat. So again I am doing the catch, C-A-T-C-H, catch. Caterpillar, catch the ball, Sanjay. Next, center, C-E-N-T-R-E, center. Claudie is in the center. Then caterpillar, C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R, caterpillar. There is a caterpillar on the cat. Chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Baby's chair is small and red. Next I have cave, C-A-V-E, cave. What is in the cave? Who is in the cave? I think a jackal is in the cave. Next, change, C-H-A-N-G, change. A caterpillar changes to a butterfly. The ceiling, C-E-I-L-I-N-G, ceiling. There is a spider on the ceiling. Then chase, C-H-A-S-E, chase. Dinky is chasing Claudie. The dog chases the cat. So these are the spelling for this week, children. You have to copy this spelling in your spelling book, a spelling copy. If you don't have your spelling copy, no harm. You do it in your rough copy and keep it and learn it. Learn how to make sentences and do this nicely. Learn and see how do the pronunciation also. Don't make mistake and do the pronunciation. This is the main thing which I am telling you. So children, these are the words which we did, which you should keep in mind and learn it nicely. When we finish the alphabets of C, then I'll tell you to tell me the spellings, and you have to tell the spellings, and you have to try to make the sentence on your own. Okay children, one more thing, important thing that I have to tell you is, everyone has to attend the class. There has to be 60% attendance, or you will not be able to sit for your coming exam, which will be coming next month. So children, it is a point that you should all stay in the class and you should not leave the class. Today what happened, as you saw all the I saw all your project and all, you were all leaving the class. That is not fair. You have to stay, you have to attend your class as long as you stay, because until and unless you stay, there will be no discipline in the class. And while you are in the class, stay quiet and before I enter the class. One more thing children, once again I am telling you, everyone must attend the class, and at least you have to have 60% attendance, or you will not be able to sit for your coming exam. Children, one more thing that I want to tell you is, copy all this and learn the spellings and do it nicely, and always maintain discipline in the class. Okay children, till then, bye bye. Stay happy, stay safe, listen to your parents and stay at home. Okay children, bye.